Slitting machine parts are mainly used for slitting metal sheets and strips, slitting wider sheets and strips into narrower strips at high speed without interruption, and then rewinding. Installed on the cutter shaft of a slitting machine, they are mainly used to slit wider metal sheets and strips into narrower strips. Installed in the knife shaft of the longitudinal shear machine, in the middle of the two longitudinal shear slitting knife, mainly to stabilize the strip as well as cut off the strip out. Installed on the knife shaft of the longitudinal shear, also in the middle of the two pieces of longitudinal shear slitting circular knife, mainly to fill the distance between the two pieces of longitudinal shear slitting circular knife. Runs between the strip and the two guide rollers of the machine, mainly to stabilize the strip and to push out the cut strip. Installed at the end of the knife shaft of the longitudinal shear, it generates axial pressure after use, locking all the tools on the knife shaft of the longitudinal shear machine slitting circular knives, rewinding rings, spacer rings, and so on. Used in longitudinal shearing and slitting units, the outermost two narrow strips of slit strips are usually discarded by the longitudinal shear and need to be cut off by the edge trimming blade to facilitate the subsequent recycling of the waste material. These include separator discs and separator spacers, which are mounted on the winding shaft to guide the direction of the slit narrow strip for easy winding.